Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud, manage campaigns step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud login URL. Press enter to navigate to the login page. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Login button. After a few moments, you will be directed to the Marketing Cloud dashboard. Locate the Email Studio tab on the top menu. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Select Campaigns from the drop-down list. You will now see the Campaigns dashboard. To create a new campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. Fill in the necessary details for your campaign. This includes the campaign name, description, and target audience. Once all fields are completed, click Save to create your campaign. To manage existing campaigns, scroll through the list on the dashboard. Click on a specific campaign to view its details. From this page, you can edit, deactivate, or delete the campaign. Make sure to save any changes you make. To monitor campaign performance, look for the Reports section. Here, you can generate and customize reports based on your campaign data. Ensure that all information is updated regularly for accurate tracking. When done, log out by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Log Out to securely exit the Marketing Cloud platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.